Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to force restart a frozen or a stuck Android phone. So what you want to do is simply long press the side button and the volume down button until the phone goes off and then release and it's going to restart. So this is basically a forced restart in case your phone is stuck or frozen. So side button and volume down. So you want to long press simultaneously. So one to go, press and hold. Just keep holding, ignore anything you see on your screen and keep holding. Just keep holding. Screen goes off. You can now release the phone and it should restart. So after a couple of seconds, the phone should restart. So let's just be patient until you see the phone restarting. So this is an effective way of restarting your phone in case you're not able to use the interface. Maybe when the phone is frozen, maybe there's an app that's stuck. This is an efficient way of restarting your Android device. Now, I made this tutorial on a Samsung Galaxy, but it works on other Android phones as well. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.